Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be looking at this brand new setup I have and going over all the panels. And this will be the very first test of my Simplex 4010ES, which you guys have never seen before. And in this video I am joined by...
Northern Fire Safety?
Yep. Alright, so first of all, this room. This is up in our attic, or part of our attic. It's basically insulated up here so it doesn't get too hot. I have all my panels up here. Most of these are 4100s, so you can see right here is the first panel. These panels are all networked together, so you can see this is node 1. It's still in progress right now, it's missing some bays and stuff, but this is a basic 4100U with a smoke detector, pole station. Out here we have another smoke and a monitor module, and there's a graphic enunciator, and there's an LCD enunciator and a pole station downstairs, which we'll look at in a different video, so I'll have a video just testing that part of the network. Right here we have node 2, this is another 4100U. You see it has a local alarm T-bar right there, some devices on it. Basic setup. Here we have our first 4100ES. It's in my old 2-bay U cabinet, but it is actually a 4100ES CPU, and I have a ES sticker for it. And again, we'll be doing that in a different video. You can see it has some devices on it. And finally, we have the 4100ES, the actual voice evac 3x1. This is what I've been working on most recently, and I just got a cabinet. The door is going to be coming next week. So in the next video you're going to be seeing an entire video on this and all its devices, including that. It's got some heat detectors, speakers, and all that stuff on it. But in this video we're going to be looking at node 5. This is node 6, by the way. Node 4 is in the different attic where the 3030 used to be. That's another one of these. This is node 5. Now currently I am missing a network card, so it's not actually connected to the rest of the network, but it's basically just going to be acting in standalone mode today. For devices, we have a standard true alarm and smoke detector in the upper left. Obviously everything here is addressable, including the horn strobe. Below that we have a 4099-9002, I believe, dual action without the LED, addressable IDNAC. Right here we have a Truler ES horn strobe. This is ES addressable. This is actually a IDNAC 4010ES. I'll show you the inside after we do the test. And below that, at address number 3, this is 1, 2, 3, and see everything's labeled. We have a Gamewell Sentry with a conventional to addressable IAM Simplex module behind it to make it addressable. Now because this is the very first test of this entire setup, I have a little break glass rod in there will break. So yeah, is there anything you want to say before we start the video?
No.
Alright, which pole station, actually we'll do the, do you mind if we do the break glass one first?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. So as you can hear, the Truler is a little bit higher frequency than a normal Truler. That is because it's addressable. All the ES horn strobes, all the ES True Alerts, they all are a little bit more higher pitched than a standard True Alert. And go ahead and close up this pole station. That's kind of funny, this is actually the only non-T-bar in this entire room. So I'm not going to reset because that takes like a good 45 seconds. So should we do the smoke or the pole station next?
What pole station's left? Is it the...
This is the dual action.
Yeah, I'd go for that one.
Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I forgot to mention, but it's kind of obvious, we do have audible silence. That's where the strobe's flashing, but the horn's not. And you can kind of ignore that clicking in the panel. It's just a programming bug I have to fix still. That was from a different configuration, so I gotta fix that. Alright, and now we can go ahead and test the smoke detector. I don't have any smoke spray. I ordered some more because I ran out, but I do have a magnet on this level, so we're going to use that. Alright, so now we can go ahead and reset our pole station. That's what the inside of it looks like. It'll focus. Yep, that's what the inside looks like. Go ahead and reset that. And reset the panel. Now as well as resetting, I'll go ahead and show you the inside. CPU card right there, piezo, all that stuff. That's the programming port right there. This is the IDNAC addressable power supply, NAC power supply with IDNAC built in, which is the SLC circuit. There's the main transformer for it. You can see I drilled some holes in the cabinet. Battery is pretty simple inside. Alright, so that's it for this video. Is there anything you want to say before we end the video?
Nope.
Alright.
Just subscribe for Fire Alert.
Yes, sir. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.